Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I am fine. Okay. Look at the screen. Observe the picture carefully. Okay. Have you observed?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to say words related to this picture. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have to answer one by one. Start.
Garden, park, plants, flowers.
Very good. You have given good words. Now learn a few more words related to this picture and as well as this unit.
Okay, sir.
Okay? You read with me, okay? I am going to read. You have to read, okay? Garden,
Garden,
park,
park,
giant wheel,
giant wheel,
swing,
swing,
plants,
plants,
flowers,
flowers,
grass,
grass,
flower pots,
flower pots,
leaf,
leaf,
butterfly,
butterfly,
bees,
bees,
seed,
seed,
sow,
sow,
grow,
grow,
earth,
earth,
hole,
hole,
sun,
sun,
shower,
shower,
beautiful.
beautiful.
Okay, now you have to answer some questions based on this picture. Observe carefully this picture. Okay, children? First question for you. What do you see in the picture? Okay, answer for you. A swing,
A swing,
giant wheel,
giant wheel,
plants,
plants,
flowers,
flowers,
grass,
grass,
flower pots,
flower pots,
butterflies,
butterflies,
and bees.
and bees.
Okay. Next question for you. Name some flowers in the picture.
I
Okay.
don't know, sir.
Okay. Answer for you. Rose,
Rose,
lily,
lily,
jasmine,
jasmine,
marigold,
marigold,
lotus,
lotus,
tulips,
tulips,
hibiscus,
hibiscus,
sunflower,
sunflower,
lavender,
lavender,
sampangi,
sampangi,
and mogili.
and mowgli.
Very good. Next question for you. Who is swinging?
A girl is swinging.
Very good. Next question for you. Do you have a garden at your school?
Yes, we have a garden at our school.
Very good. Now learn some names of colors. Okay?
Yes, sir.
One by one. Green,
Green,
blue,
blue,
red,
red,
yellow,
yellow,
black,
black,
white,
white,
pink.
pink.
Now learn a few more words. Okay? Grass,
Grass,
rose,
rose,
crow,
crow,
yellow,
yellow,
lily.
lily.
Okay, children, you have read in a good manner. You learn these words. Okay, children, bye.
Bye, sir.